Don't ignore this plant if you see it anywhere. It is a plant with herbal properties, which can also be used in hair care. This plant is called ivy gourd. This leaf strengthens the hair roots, reduces hair loss, and prevents dandruff-causing fungi. Also, it keeps the scalp cool and helps in hair growth because it contains iron, calcium, vitamins A and C. The various nutrients present in this leaf help in hair growth. Therefore, you can use the extract of this leaf on your hair to keep your hair healthy and beautiful. Let's now find out how to use this leaf on your hair. Blend a sufficient amount of leaves to make a paste, then apply it to your hair. Wait for 30 to 40 minutes, then wash your hair. Another method is to apply these leaves to your hair, boil the leaves, and separate the water. When the water cools down, you can use it to wash your hair. Moreover, you can mix these leaves with other herbs to make a hair pack and use it on your hair. You can also mix the juice of this leaf with shampoo and use it. You can also use the juice of this leaf mixed with coconut oil. Regular use of this leaf extract on hair will reduce hair loss and make hair thicker and more beautiful.